Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about a few benefits of kale. You eat kale? Have you ever tried it? Let's check out some of the benefits. Alright, let's jump right into it. So one of the great benefits of kale, if you did not know, did you know 1 cup of kale, raw kale, has a lot of vitamin C, more than an orange. So that's something to think about, because a lot of times you think about vitamin C, of course, the first thing you think about what is oranges. But there's a lot of other fruits and vegetables that give you this source of vitamin C. So kale is one of them. So if you're not doing kale, it's a great vegetable to add to your diet. I do them in smoothies. So if I do kale, most of the time I will add them to my smoothies now. So that's a great option. So it has more vitamin C than an orange. So wow, 1 cup of kale. So that's a great benefit of kale. Also, kale great for your bone health. Great source of calcium. When you think about calcium, what do you normally think about? Milk. But there's a lot of great calcium sources out there other than what we just think about when we think about milk. So you have kale, has a great high source of calcium content. So did you know that? So kale has great benefits. Also antioxidant benefits, great source of antioxidants. Also with kale helps to detoxify. It can help detoxify your body. So it's a lot of great benefits. So we always talk about getting more green leafy vegetables in your diet. And you see why, a lot of healthy benefits. So great source of vitamin C, great source of calcium, great source of antioxidants. Also bone health, we talk about the calcium. But also kale is a great source of vitamin K. So it's a high source of vitamin K. So you want to be healthier, you can take those small steps. Remember, small steps equals a big change. Get you some kale. Enjoy.